Hi, my name is Aparna Chakrabarty, and I'm so grateful to Dr. Gulani for fixing my vision. I'm a mom of 3 kids. I have a very active lifestyle. I travel a lot. I teach Hindustani classical Indian music. I teach dance. And I'd been noticing that lately my nearsighted vision, my reading and my computer vision was really impacted. And so I went to Dr. Gulani and I said, please fix all of this. So he not only did that, but he fixed my farsightedness. Also, there was some issue with my with me seeing far away, which I didn't even know of. And then he fixed all of that in one shot. Literally, each eye took like maybe 45 seconds each. And now I'm seeing so much better. I'm off of my reading glasses, and I would like to sing a song for him because he's the visionary. And this song basically means that he took my vision to the next level. So here we go. Nenu wale ne, aha, nenu wale ne, छेड़ा मन का प्याला, छलकाए मधुशाला, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया. Thank you for giving me my vision. Thank you so much.